Good afternoon class 5. Welcome back to our video classes. So students, in the last video class we have completed the chapter number 3, our nervous system. Okay. Today we are going to start, although we have started this chapter in the live classes, so I want to give the video. Why? Because you can revise the topic. Okay, you can revise the topic of the chapters. If someone has not attended the video live classes, so they can see the video class and revise the chapter. So our today's topic is our food. Chapter number 4, our food. The food we eat in our daily life. What amount of nutrition is present in that, what we have to eat, what we don't have to eat, the carbohydrate, proteins, the different types of nutrients, each and everything we are going to discuss in this chapter. So the highlight of the chapter is the component of the food. Component means that nutrition, carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, minerals, each and everything which we are eating, the food which we are eating daily basis, what amount of protein we have to eat, what amount of carbohydrate we have to eat, which type of food we eat, which type of food we don't have to eat, each and everything we are going to discuss in this chapter. So before starting the chapter, one topic is given, like general introduction is given in your book. So I am going to read the topic. Put your finger where I am reading. Okay. So, and about the balanced diet and the junk food. Each and everything I told you, each and everything we are going to discuss in this chapter. So good health is a type of physical and mental well-being. To stay healthy, it is important to eat healthy food, exercise regularly, take adequate rest, maintain hygiene and protect ourselves from diseases. Good health doesn't mean कि हमारी तबीयत ठीक है तो हम ठीक हैं. Okay, no. Several types of things were related to our food also. What type of food we are eating in our daily life? ठीक है. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है we are eating so much of junk foods. We face so many problems, obesity, hypertension, blood pressure, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो जाती है. छोटे छोटे एज में बच्चे बहुत मोटे हो जाते हैं. Like night blindness problem, like hair becomes white due to this the daily routine जो हम लोग food खाते हैं ना, daily अपने खाना जो खाते हैं उसमें proper amount of diet हमको नहीं मिलता. Okay, so good health means our physical and our mental health both. Okay, good health, a person is said to be healthy, they have good health. Why? When they have the physical and their mental health is okay, that's why that person is said to be as healthy. Okay, so to stay healthy it is very important that we have to eat healthy food. जितना ज़्यादा हो सके green leafy vegetables खाएं. We have to drink lots of water. We have to drink milk daily. So we have to eat healthy food. Exercise regularly. दिन भर सो रहे हैं, टीवी देख रहे हैं, ये सब नहीं. We have to play physical activities also, do exercise daily, adequate amount of rest, 7 to 8 hours of sleep is very necessary, maintain hygiene in our locality, in our environment, in ourselves, in our home also, साफ सुथरी चीज़ें, and protect ourselves from diseases. अपने आप को बीमारियों से बचा के रखें. Nowadays you people were saying the COVID-19 is spread all over the India. The second wave has already come and it is also most probably the third wave will become. So we have to maintain hygiene, we have to protect ourselves from these type of diseases. Okay everyone? Hope this helps, hope people will understand. Now we are going to discuss the jump start. Okay? The jump start is given in your book. We are going to discuss. Those who have not completed the jump start, I am writing the answer. See the board and write your answer. Okay? So first, fill in the blanks. We eat dash to live, grow, maintain healthy and active. We eat healthy food. Answer is healthy food. H-E-A-L-E-H one. Healthy. F-O-O-D food. Healthy food. Okay. Now second one. Protective food includes fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay. Right? Fresh fruits and vegetables. Now third one. Noodles, burgers and pizzas are dash food. So according to you, these all foods are yummy food. Okay. But no, these foods are said to be as junk write the answer. Okay. So first answer is healthy food. First answer is healthy food. Second, vegetables. Third, junk food. And fourth one is plenty. Plenty of water. We have to drink plenty of water every day. So these are the four answers of the junk. Start. Okay. Now the question number 2. Name 2 energy giving, 2 body building and 2 protective food. So energy giving food, fat and carbohydrates, the food which is rich in fat and carbohydrate. Body building food, protein and minerals, and protective food, vitamins and minerals. So each and everything I have given you the answer in the in the GIS application, the answer key right from there. Okay. So now we are going to discuss the main topic of the chapter, that is components of food, balanced diet and junk food. So first we will discuss about the components of food in detail, second the balanced diet, and third one is the junk food. Okay, 3 main topics. So first I have to write this. So I am going to read, then I will explain them. We eat different kinds of food every day. Food contains various nutrients. Nutrients are special nourishing substances that provide energy to our body, help us grow and protect us from various diseases. So as I told you in the beginning, we eat different kinds of food every day. In lunch, in breakfast we eat different types of food. In lunch we are eating different types of food. In evening snacks we are eating different type of food. In dinner we are eating different types of foods. So each day we eat different types of food every day. Okay, and in the food the nutrients are the present. What are these nutrients? Nutrients provide nourishment to the food in the form of energy. It provides energy to the food. These nutrients are the nourishment substance. These nutrients are the nourishment substance which is present in the food, which provides our body energy. हमारी body को energy मिलती है, helps us to grow, develop, and these nutrients help us to fight with the diseases. Okay, keeps our body healthy. Okay, so there are different types of nutrients are present. Nutrients are the substance which provide nourishment to our body. It provides energy to our body. It protects our body from diseases. It helps to grow and development of our body. Okay, so there are components of balanced diet. The food which we are eating daily, in that we have to maintain the balanced diet. Okay, daily we have to maintain the balanced diet. अगर हम daily रोटी खाएंगे, daily we are eating chapatis, so that is not good. So we have to eat rice also. In that carbohydrate is present. Carbohydrate is the energy giving food. We have to drink milk. We have to eat fruits. We have to eat vegetables, green leafy vegetables. Okay, we have to eat egg, because in these type of food different types of components of foods were there. Nutrients are there. Carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, each and everything is present. So that type of diet, that type of food which we are eating daily, that type of diet is said to be as balanced diet. Okay, हम वैसे डाइट को क्या बोलते हैं? बैलेंस डाइट. इसमें सारे अमाउंट में, थोड़े थोड़े अमाउंट में सारी जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स, विटामिन, सारी चीज़ें प्रेजेंट हो, दैट टाइप ऑफ डाइट इज सेड टू बी एज बैलेंस डाइट. Okay, balanced diet is different for different people. Okay, like children, for newborn baby, the milk is a balanced diet. Okay, जो newborn babies होते हैं, infant होते हैं, the milk is the balanced diet. Okay, according to the age, according to the work, there are different types of balanced diet for different types of people. The like farmers, laborers, they need more amount of carbohydrate and fats in their food. Why? Because they do very hard work. Okay, so they need energy giving food, so they have to eat carbohydrate and fats. Office working, teachers, your father, mother, they are working, your mother working in a home, your father working in an office. So every person, according to the work, according to the age, they need different types of balanced diet. Okay, so let's continue. Food is composed of 5 main nutrition. Okay, food is composed of 5 main nutrition. What are they? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins. 5 different types of components are there. First one is the carbohydrates, second proteins, third fats, fourth minerals और vitamins you can write alternate हो सकता है, कोई problem नहीं है. And fifth one is the vitamins. These are the 5 main important components of foods: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and vitamins. Okay, these are the 5 main components of food. We are going to discuss in detail one by one. Carbohydrates, again I am repeating: protein, fats, minerals and vitamins. So here the list are given in the book in page number 35. All of you open page number 35. In this, the list of the components of the food and what type of food in this. The carbohydrate is present, protein is present, fat is present. Each and everything is given in this chart. So everyone open this one. Okay, we are going to discuss this chart. So nutrient and the source of food in which this type of nutrient is present. It is written. I am reading it. Listen carefully. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is known as the energy giving food. Okay. When we eat carbohydrate in more amount in our body, energy बहुत ज़्यादा maintain. The energy level is maintained. Okay. So like food like potatoes, rice, bread, sugar and banana are rich in carbohydrates. So if we want to eat energy giving food, we have to eat this type of food. Potatoes, rice, bread, sugar and banana, they are rich in carbohydrate. Now come to fats. Fats are also said to be as energy giving food. Okay, but we have to eat fat in less amount. Okay. So what type of food we have to eat if we want to maintain fat in our body? Milk, butter, meat, oil and nuts are rich in fats. Nuts means जितने भी dry fruits आते हैं, they are said to be as nuts. Like not groundnut is also a type of nuts. Okay. Protein. Third one is the protein. Protein is said to be as bodybuilding food. So protein जो body बनाते हैं, the bodybuilders they eat lots of protein to maintain the body. वो body बनाने के लिए बहुत सारे proteins खाते हैं. Okay, protein powders are there in the market. There are so many types of proteins are there which they eat to maintain the body. Okay, to build their body, to build their muscles. So what type of food we eat to build our body? That is fat. Fish, chicken, pulses, beans, nuts, eggs, milk and milk products are rich in protein. So these are the products which are rich in protein. Okay. Now page 10. All of you open page number 36. Next one is the vitamins. Okay. Next one is the vitamins. They are the protective foods. These type of food, अगर हम लोग ये सारी food, the food which is rich in vitamin, if we eat daily in our daily balanced diet, we were free from diseases. Okay, we were free from diseases. So what type of food we eat to keep ourselves free from diseases are milk, eggs, fish, green leafy vegetables जो तुम लोग नहीं खाते हो. Those मतलब there are many students in the class. I know from class 3 that so many of you don't like to eat green leafy vegetables. You don't like to drink milk. That is very bad. You have to eat green leafy vegetables and you have to drink milk. They are rich in the source of vitamins. Okay, there are different types of vitamins are there like vitamin A, C, B, D, E and K. Okay, these vitamins protects us from diseases, protects our body from diseases. Okay, now last one is the minerals. They are also protective food. If we eat proper amount of minerals, proper amount of vitamins rich food, minerals rich food, it keeps our body protected from diseases. हमको disease से बहुत दूर रखेगा. In this COVID-19 situation, everyone told that काढ़ा पियो, अच्छे खाना खाओ, it builds our immunity. So what is this? These are the foods which we have to eat, which protects our body from diseases and maintain our immunity level. So what type of food? Eggs, milk, fruits and vegetables are rich in minerals. They contain minerals such as iron, calcium, iodine and phosphorus. Iodine for our blood, which type of food we eat to build protein, to build vitamin, minerals, carbohydrate, fats. सब में common क्या था? The non-veg, green leafy vegetables, and the drink, milk and fruits. These are the 4 common components of every nutrients, every type of nutrients. These are the 4 common components. अगर हम ये सारी चीज़ें अपने डेली फूड रूटीन में इंक्लूड कर लें, so our body becomes fit, healthy, and we maintain proper physical and mental good health. Okay, so by this I hope you people understand that what type of food we have to eat in our daily life to maintain our good health. Okay, from the next class we will discuss the next topic. Okay, today I am just explaining that much only. In the next video class we are going to discuss from the next topic. So students, please see the full video, and after the completion of video please read the chapter. Okay, I am telling to each and one of you, please read the chapter. Okay, thank you so much class.